guys, we have something really special. A pull the rope elevator. All right. I'm not sure what brand this is. Amazing, though. All right, let's go down. So first we're gonna, this is the thing that grabs the rope. You're gonna unlatch it, and then I believe we're gonna put it down. There we go. And then once we pass the 6th floor, we're gonna put this thing back in. So, like that. And then it'll catch the floor. Just like that. Alright, now back the other way. So unlock it, and we lift the rope up, or we lift this part down. Three, two. All right, now after 2 passes, we're gonna so watch. Catches there. All right. Pull the rope down and start going back up. Watch this. That's how it stops. Anyway. That's pretty cool.